Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Mami.
I love you. Yan, enjoy your day. Ayun na, sila din.
Happy birthday, Mother. Salamat po.
Happy birthday, pamangkin. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Sa maganda kong tita, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo more blessing, more happiness, and good health. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan na mahal ka po namin. Isa ka sa pinaka-espesyal sa amin.
Tita, happy birthday sa dadating para bukas. At sana sa akin ay ma-extend pa ang inyong life sa araw-araw po. Sana salamat sa bawat mga tulong. At saka sa daming pinagdaanan ay naging mabait pa rin po kayo sa amin. Maraming salamat, Tita. Love you, Tita. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Tess. More birthday to come. Wish you all the best. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Mama Tess. We love you.
Tita, happy birthday po. Sana po lagi kayong malakas at hindi magkasakit. Yan lang po, Tita. Happy birthday po ulit.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami Tess. Love you po. Thank you po. Pag nagtitinda po ako ng bulaklak, kasahod din po ako. Love you po. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mami Tess. Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come. More blessing to come. Stay pretty. Love you.
Happy birthday. Sana madami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga itinutulong mo sa aming mga kapatid mo. Thank you, ate. I love you.
Happy birthday, tita. Wish you all the best. Take care always. God bless you. Love you. Go.
Happy birthday, Mami Tess.
Happy birthday, Tita. Stay happy and then stay pretty. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat ng naitulong nyo sa amin. O, Tay.
Hello! Magandang gabi sa iyo, at tita. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. At sana ay marami pang biyaya at blessing at dumating sa iyo ngayong kaarawan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, tita, sa lahat ng bagay at lahat. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, tita. Love you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday po, Tita Tess. Wishing you a good health and may God bless you more. Stay pretty as you are.
Happy birthday po, Mami Tess. Salamat po palagi. Love you po.
Happy birthday sa maganda at sexy kong kapatid. Palagi kang mag-iingat. More birthdays to come. Love you.